At the last means on Thursday, we are at this some political symbols, and the political symbols is used for those who are illiterate, so they can understand it. So the first start with the broken chain. So what is the meaning of the broken chain? Earlier we know about the chain. Chain means chain is relating with the slaves. So slaves always in the chain. So now this chains will become the fetters, and the broken chain symbols, it's now they will become free. Next one, the bundles of rods or the faces. So the bundle of rods or the faces related with strength. Strength here in the sense of strength means unity. Unity is strength. In this sense, all about the third state, or we can say the citizens of the France are united, and after uniting them, they can throw out the old monarchical system. Next one, the eye within a triangle radiating light. All the symbols is already on the books, so you have to see in this book. Then you will understand about the box 1 at the page number 12 and the 13. You will found some political symbols. So because on that day I told you about that, what happened on that day, I told you the literate person can understand about what is written about, or what means in the sense of script, but the illiterate person, those who can't read, so that's why they use the symbols. Even an illiterate person can understand by these symbols. So the eye within a triangle radiating light. If you see the third one, so this one, all seeing means everybody is seeing the eyes, and if you see the triangle is some regarding with some lights. So the lights is related with, we can say, sunlight, or when the sunlight approaches to that, so when the sunlight approaches to triangle, then by the eyes they can see it. Means the cloud of the ignorance will be removed out. The next one is scepter. The scepter is a symbol of royal power, and the royal power is related with monarchical power, monarchy system. Clear? The next one is snake biting its tail to form a ring. You see the fifth one, the snake biting its tail to form a ring, symbol of eternity. Eternity, a ring has neither beginning nor end. Means this shows the power that is, it's like a cycle. Then the red pharyngean cap. So the red pharyngean cap is related with the slaves wear this red cap, and the slave wear this red cap. Then it shows that at the slaves will become what? Freed. The slaves will become freed. The red color shows this. Then the blue, white, red. The blue, white, red color. When we talk about the blue, white, red color, you have to careful about these symbols, because this symbols is very important. And the next one is the blue, white, red. Blue, white, red. So the blue, white, red, these all are the colors which will found in the France national flag. Clear? Later it will become the part of the national colors flag. So what the blue color shows and what the white color and the red color symbols. When we talk about the blue color is nobility. Blue color is related with nobility. The blue color is related with nobility class. Then the white color is related with what? The white color is related with clergy white, clergy class. And the red is related with, talk about the slaves. So slaves, we can say the third class. The red class related to the third state, or those who are the victims of these first and the second states. So that's why this uses a symbolic way. The blue color is related to nobility class, the white color is related to clergy class or the church class, and the third one is related to red class. So next one, the winged woman. The winged woman, the winged woman, the winged woman is related with the personification of law. Personification means personification of law. Means from that time, it enhanced the dignity of the law. Means law is for all and it is equal to all. Then the next one is the law tablet. The law tablet. The law tablet. The law tablet means it is on a stone and it is written about this articles of the laws, and which is open for all. Everyone can read these tablets, and it also shows the equality. Means nothing is going to be hide for the someone, and nothing is going to be different for the first class and the second class. So everyone is equal before the law. So this one, these all are the political symbols, and you have to know about this. These are the very important symbols. Next one is related with the next point. The France abolished. The next point is this. Discuss about the next point. France abolishes monarchy. France abolishes monarchy and became a republic. Or you can say and becomes a republic. So we know about this, the old monarchical system in which the Louis XVI was the main head of it, and how he crushed all this or the common people wishes. So we have know about this. The Louis XVI was the king of that France, and he, in simple way we can say, he understands the wishes, but still in the secret negotiations, with some kings of the Prussia, the king secret negotiations with, you have to note it down at some place, king of Prussia. Later it held some sovereignty, and it become the part of which country? Right now become the part of Poland and Russia. So this one. So the Louis XVI make a secret negotiation में in simple से कि उन्होंने साधारण तरीके से और गुपचुप तरीके से एक समझौता किया किंग्स ऑफ प्रशिया के साथ, because the king of Prussia also don't want to that this monarchical system will be abolished. So if this monarchical system will be abolished in one country, later it will be continued in another countries. So this one, the rulers of another countries, also also worried, and not only worried, they directly or indirectly supported the Louis XVI. They directly or indirectly supported the Louis XVI. So that's why, so in that manner, they sent the troops, means the king sent the troops. The king sent the troops for what? For crushing that it should not be a republic. So that's why they are sending this. So before this could happen, the National Assembly, means before this could happen, the National Assembly in 1792, National Assembly in 1792 to declare, the National Assembly in 1792 declared a war against Prussia. You have to note it down, the dates and whatever it's, because these are all important dates. In 1792, National Assembly in 1792 declared a war against Prussia, and as well as Prussia and Austria. Sorry, Prussia and Austria. War against Prussia and Austria. This one. So people now at that time again understand, then this is not the war of people saw that this is the war of people against kings and aristocracies all over Europe. Means this incidence of the France will become the role model for all over the world, and this sparked all over the Europe. So at this time, the people means in this term, the people have to be united. Means we can say in another manners, the people have some kind of feeling of nationalism arose. But here we don't have to read with this nationalism, because we have to, this is a class 10 topic, because here we have to read about this, how they can use the national symbols, national songs, and national anthems. So, national anthem, here is the main thing, is a national anthem. First of all, they have to choose the national anthem, and this national anthem was what? Marseilles. This national anthem was Marseilles. This anthem was national Marseilles, and which is written by poet Roger de Isle. This Marseilles nation, which will become the later, and today's is also used as in a national anthem. So how this, now the revolutionary wars brought losses. So this will all become the period of revolutionary wars. This will become the period of revolutionary wars. Means revolutionary wars is related with revolution. So that's why this is known as revolutionary wars, because this is the period of revolution. So the revolutionary wars brought losses and economic difficulties to the people participating of men. Because in this revolutionary wars, the both, when you talk about this wars, in this wars, both the section of the society is participating in their own ways, and they are men and women. Men and women is participating in their own ways, and the ways are men at the war front, man at the war front in this revolution, and the women lives, we can say that they will live inside the home, they will go outside and doing the outside works, means they are proper caring the houseworks housework inside and outside. Means both were participating in their own manners. So that's when. And the revolutionary wars brought losses and economic difficulties to the people participating of men and women in their own ways. Large section of the population were convinced that the revolution had to be carried further as a constitution. Means this revolution should be carried, and at the time a new constitution to be framed. So in 1791 gave political rights only to the richer section, because before this we have known about, before the 1791, here again we write about this 1791, this political rights regarding the old constitution, political rights were enjoyed by richer section, by richer sections. So the another section want that everyone will enjoy these rights. So now in this manner, the political clubs regarding the political rights, and the political rights come through the political clubs. The political rights related with the political clubs. Political clubs were made. The number of political clubs, but in this manner, the one important political club, and its name was Jacobin Club. In the class 8 also I read about the Tipu Sultan, who will become also the member of the Jacobin Club, and too much affected by the French Revolution. But here we don't have to discuss about this. Here we discuss about the Jacobin Club, and its head was Maximilien Robespierre. Maximilien Robespierre. So this one is. So, and this Jacobean clubs, the members of the Jacobean clubs belong to mainly, so the members of Jacobean club, the large section joined the Jacobean clubs, because earlier we discussed about only the richer section were enjoyed this, but this time this Jacobean club is most probably related to all the downtrodden society of this. And these are the small shopkeepers. Small shopkeepers. The next one is the small shopkeepers, artisans, shoemaker, shoemaker, then pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, then printers. The next one is, after the printers, servants, and daily wage earners. And daily wage earners. If you see in this, near about all the section is included in the Jacobean club. Small shopkeepers, not the, because the small shopkeepers don't have too much money. So artisans, we know about this. Shoemakers, these pastry cooks were related to the bakery shops. The watchmakers, printers, who printed the books, who also helped in this revolution. The servants and the daily wage earners. Means this, all this are the part of the Jacobean club. So it is the most influential political party at this, or we can say political club at this time. So in this way, so large group of the among Jacobean decided to start wearing long strip. So not only this revolution also related with a kind of a revolution is related with cloth, because earlier the richer section of the society is wearing different kind of dress which is related with breeches. Cloth is knee breeches. But at this time, when this revolution occurred, at the Jacobean club came, they have the different clothing style, and they wear the long trousers. They wear the long trousers. In this way, they are different from the old feudal system, and they also diminish the old fashionable system. So they have a different wearing style, which also related with the kind of movement, and in this movement, their dress will also play a vital role in this. So the long trousers they wear, it is known by the different name, and this name is what? This name is sans-culottes. Sansculottes. So, in the summer of 1792, so you have to see this, and you have to mention at some place in your copy. Start with a new thing. Next one. So in the summer of the 1792, Jacobin planned insurrections. In 1792, the Jacobin Club planned, and they planned in some manner that first, and they planned in some manner means they have to plan because day by day the situation is going to be worst. Automatically economic crisis, and regarding the economic crisis, even day by day increasing the rate Who's my voice? You're listening? किसी से भी हर्ष से
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी।
और थोड़ा नेटवर्क
Please, your voice is not coming.
आप मिटा दीजिए सर।
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी।
बताइए।
आवाज नहीं आती थी।
फिर से बताइए।
सर एक बार और बताइए आवाज
तो शुरू किए थे वही
Please, यादव।
जैकोबिन क्लब से ध्यान से देखिए। सॉरी,
इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस। इकोनॉमिक क्राइसिस।
economic crisis we have discussed about from very beginning in the country when the France supported the America. From this time they are failing failing with this economic crisis.
हिंदियों में बताइए।
हिंदी में बता तो रहे बेटा कि जब से आपको पता है कि 13 कॉलोनियां जो थी अमेरिका की उसको सपोर्ट किया फ्रांस ने, तब से उसकी इकोनॉमिक मतलब उसकी आर्थिक स्थिति बहुत खराब थी तब से।
सर मैंने एक प्रश्न है सर। सर वो अमेरिका अगर मैंने सर फ्रांस अगर सपोर्ट किया अमेरिका को सर, तो अमेरिका फ्रांस पर कर्ज क्यों पड़ा सर?
बेटे किसी को भी सपोर्ट करते हैं तो सपोर्ट अगर आप इकोनॉमिकली करते हैं तो इकोनॉमी करेंगे तो आप पैसे देंगे, और जब पैसे देंगे तो आप अपनी कंट्री से देंगे, और जब साथ ही साथ आपकी कंट्री की हालत जब सही नहीं है तो किसी की मदद करेंगे तो क्या करेंगे? किसी से लेकर उधार लेकर।
फ्रांस को सपोर्ट किया अमेरिका का।
फ्रांस सपोर्ट इसलिए किया क्योंकि वो उसका फ्रेंड था एक ऐसे। क्या चीज?
ब्रिटेन उन दोनों का कॉमन इनेमी था, शत्रु था।
हाँ, ये कॉमन एनिमी था और उसने सपोर्ट किया इसलिए। तो यहाँ पर आपको मैंने बताया है कि किस तरह से जैकोबिन क्लब। अच्छा, जैकोबिन क्लब का आपको समझ में आया कि इसका क्या रोल है?
यस सर।
यस सर।
So how the Jacobin club? The first of all main thing is this.
यस सर।
Maximilian Robespierre is the main head of this, and how he supported this.
Sir, please explain it again.
Head of
यस सर।
Sir, please explain it again.
simple say we can say the Jacobin club is related to the political club.
Yes.
At this time or at this period, the number of political clubs is going to be formed. But in this Jacobin club, which is related to the political club, it is the main political club, and this political club was famous too much. And its main head was Maximilian Robespierre. How? Then the main thing is this: in this club, the state of the society which were included, we have written about the third state related, the people all related with the lower section of the society, in which we have read about the small shopkeepers, artisans, shoemakers, and many of them supported this or become the part of the Jacobin club. Here,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
मैं आपको उसको थोड़ा सा पढ़ेंगे घर पे तो समझाएगा। आज आपको बताएं कि फ्रांस में किस तरह से सिंपल मैनर how in the France abolishes the monarchy and becomes republic. Okay, sir. So now is going to stop there. From the next time we are never to start with the new topic, the reign of terror. Sorry, reign of terror. क्या चीज?
ओके सर।
Thank you, sir.
कोई पूछ रहा है? हेलो।
यस सर।
कौन पूछ रहा? सफदर आलम है। सुमेश सिंह अफसर आलम
शांत रहना।
सुमेश सिंह अफसर आलम
बोलोगे ऋतुराज ज्यादा।
सर आप नहीं दिख रहे हैं।
प्रणव है
सर आप नहीं दिख रहे हैं।
देख रहे हैं।
प्रणव है
तो आज आपको बताया यहाँ तक पढ़ा है फ्रॉम मीन्स आफ्टर दिस विल स्टार्ट द रेन ऑफ टेरर, और यहाँ तक आप प्रिपेयर कर लीजिए
Yes,
क्योंकि
sir.
आपका टेस्ट होने वाला है, यहाँ तक आएगा। ठीक है, आपको पहले बता
सर होगा
दिया।
सर।
टेस्ट
France
टेस्ट कब से
abolishes
होगा?
monarchy and become republic।
भूख नहीं है।
ठीक है,
सर कब से है?
टेस्ट कैसे होगा सर?
नेक्स्ट
बता
मंडे से
दीजिए।
सर टेस्ट कब से है?
ठीक है
ऑब्जेक्टिव
भाई,
होगा आप लोगों का टेस्ट।
ठीक है।
ठीक है, तो आप लोग प्रिपेयर कर लें।
माइक्रोसॉफ्ट
ठीक
सर।
है सर।
कब से है सर?
कब से होगा?
मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स, मंडे ऑनवर्ड्स
होगा सर।
डेट शीट फटाफट देख लीजिए।
सर कैसे
तो
ऑनलाइन
कैसे
देंगे क्या?
होगा?
ऑनलाइन एग्जाम होगा कि सर ओरल?
हाँ ऑनलाइन होगा। और प्रिपेयर योरसेल्फ जहाँ तक पढ़ाएगा। ठीक है,
मारेंगे बे।
द रेन ऑफ अप टू रेन ऑफ टेरर।
ऑनलाइन नहीं है
सर कब कैसे होगा सर?